Hey guys, and welcome back to BMW Fanatic. Now, I've talked about it on an Instagram post of me upgrading my navigation system from CCC, which is the pre-LCI, to CIC. I started on the LCI model starting in 2009. So I'm working with a guy that is well known on E90 Post, and he goes by NickCo43 on E90 Post, to where he sells retrofit kits for your BMW, so that way you can make this upgrade to CIC. So we'll be doing a full DIY on my car of how to install the CIC navigation upgrade for you guys that have CCC. You get a much better user interface, able to do 2019, navigation maps. You can do a lot more different options, DVD in motion, a much bigger scale of options that you can do on that. So his kit is $650, which includes everything that I'm gonna show you in this video. And it also includes warranty through him, so some warranty support. He also gonna include installation help. So if you receive the kit and you're trying to install it on your own and you have questions about something, then you can also reach out to him. But that's why we're trying to do this DIY guide, so that way you guys have a video reference to watch his kit and then it could pair up with him. So from what I've seen of everything that Nick has to offer, definitely a lot of great stuff. He communicates extremely well. I've had a ton of questions just for the kit. He's very prompt with responding. I'm gonna plug his information down in my description box below. So if you guys are gearing up to do the CIC update and do that retrofit full kit, stand by with the channel. We'll show you the full DIY on how to do that. But let's see what Nick sent me so we can go over those pieces. All right, here's what comes in the box. Now, Nick will supply a nice user guide for you. Just a little installation manual, printed in color. So he does send this with all of his kits. We're gonna do a DIY video, of course, like I mentioned, so I'll be doing that so you guys have a video reference, but it's something that he includes in here. Packages his kit very well, because obviously you spend money on it, you don't want it broken. This is how it arrives. Well packaged for everything. Now I did take everything out, so some of it's gonna be a little moved around, but of course you'll get a new CID screen. So this is your LCI screen, because since you have to completely replace that. It will send you a KDCAN cable, so you can do the coding with him, which that's of course included in the price. You have some of your other cables that you need for the install, power the screen, do all that. Your connector, so that way you can repin your CID on your screen to this, so this works with the LCI one. And of course the USB port. So you got that. Last but not least would be your CIC unit. It's gonna come just as you see here. So that way you can be able to install it in your car and you'll be good to go. Well guys, that does it for today. A little introduction on the CIC Retrofit from Nick on E90 Post. Like I mentioned, all his contact information is down in my description box below. So I'm looking forward to this install. So stay tuned for that video. I'll show you the step-by-step, just how I do DIYs on this channel. So that way you guys can do it. It is a great upgrade. And honestly, at $650, it is a good price to have a BMW navigation system, but not only just getting the kit, you have someone there that's able to help you when you're trying to install it. You have the warranty, of course, through him. You have the coding already included on that. All those things make up that master kit and an install process that is the best one out there. So stay tuned for that video, guys, and I'm looking forward to that. Let me know if you have any questions. That does it for today. Big thumbs up on the video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Check you later. See ya.
This is a Chuki Beat production.